So now that we've built our model, it's time to see how well it performs on our test data. So data that our model has never seen before. There's no synthetic data, it's just what's been recorded from the patients. For this, we look at the AUC score and also a confusion matrix. I won't go into too much detail of the AUC score, but essentially it can assess model performance based on different thresholds for classifying high, okay, or low levels of LDL cholesterol. I have a video explaining the AUC score and how to evaluate classification algorithms, which you can click here. Here from the scikit-learn library, we import the confusion matrix, the ROC AUC score, and the ROC curve. What we do is we get our predicted probabilities for each sample, and we take the maximum predicted probability as our prediction. So what we mean by that, so for example, from sample 1, if the predicted probability of low LDL cholesterol was 0.1, okay was 0.2, and high was 0.7, then the model would select high as its prediction because it has the highest predicted probability. And we apply this for every single sample. So we use the predicted probabilities in our AUC curve, and we use our actual predictions in the confusion matrix. So running the following code here gives us first our confusion matrix. And just to give a brief overview, so on the left, we have our true values of high, okay, or low levels of LDL cholesterol. And on the bottom, we have our predicted values. And we can see that for all the cases of low LDL cholesterol, our model, and this is quite surprising, I must admit, got every single case correct. Same for okay. However, for high, there was one sample that was predicted as having okay LDL cholesterol. However, this person actually had high LDL cholesterol levels. But looking at this, amazing, like really amazing model performance. And then what we can do is we can plot our AU-ROC curves for each of our outcomes, so low, okay, and high. And it's essentially perfect. There's not really much to comment on here. We also have the average, so the mean AUC score for each of our classes. So overall, really positive.